Hey everyone! The Xiaomi Mijia Inverter Purifying Dehumidifier Max is clearly designed as a no-compromise solution for large homes and environments where humidity is a constant battle. From the moment you look at its specifications, it's obvious that Xiaomi isn't targeting small apartments or occasional use. This is a high-capacity, all-in-one climate control device built for serious moisture management, long operating hours, and year-round reliability. At the heart of the device is a fully inverter-driven system that controls the compressor, fan motor, and stepper motor with a high level of precision. The dual-rotor inverter compressor plays a key role here, allowing the dehumidifier to deliver up to 60 liters of dehumidification per day without the usual trade-offs in noise or efficiency. Xiaomi has also paid close attention to cold weather performance by precisely regulating the evaporator temperature, preventing frost buildup, and enabling stable, continuous operation at temperatures above 10 degrees Celsius, which is critical for basements and transitional seasons. In real-world use, the performance feels immediate and confident. With coverage of up to 120 square meters, the device is well suited for large living rooms, duplex homes, and underground spaces where damp air tends to linger. Power consumption remains reasonable for its class, with a nominal dehumidification power rating of 520 watts and a peak input of 650 watts when maximum output is required. What truly sets this model apart from standard dehumidifiers is its integrated air purification system. Rather than being a simple add-on, purification is treated as a core function, using a 5-stage system that includes an antibacterial pre-filter, a high-precision particulate filter, a formaldehyde removal layer, UVC sterilization, and a plasma generator. When moisture removal isn't needed, the unit can operate purely as an air purifier, delivering particle CADR values between 300 and 352 cubic meters per hour, along with formaldehyde CADR of up to 170 cubic meters per hour, depending on conditions. This dual-purpose design makes the device useful year-round, rather than only during humid months. The 9-liter water tank significantly reduces how often users need to empty it, and for more demanding setups, the built-in drainage pump adds real flexibility. With support for up to 5 meters of vertical drainage and 30 meters horizontally, the dehumidifier can be installed in basements or utility rooms without worrying about gravity-fed drainage limitations. Safety features such as a child lock, tilt detection, overflow protection, and overheat protection add peace of mind, especially given the device's size and power. In this mode, the device can dry up to 10 cotton garments in roughly 75 minutes, making it a practical alternative to traditional drying methods in humid environments, where air drying often leads to musty smells or mold risk. Users can adjust settings, check humidity and air quality, and automate operation based on environmental conditions. Voice assistant support adds hands-free convenience, while the built-in LCD panel provides real-time visibility of temperature, humidity, and PM 2.5 levels without needing to open an app. Overall, the Xiaomi Mijia Purifying Dehumidifier Max feels less like a single-purpose appliance and more like a comprehensive indoor climate management system. Its combination of high-capacity dehumidification, advanced air purification, inverter efficiency, and smart home integration makes it particularly compelling for large homes and high-humidity environments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day, and God bless you.